In order to use the auto park feature inside of Lucid vehicles, what you're going to do, inside of the infotainment system here, you've got your little P button along the very bottom. If you tap that button, you're going to pull up your 360 camera, but you can also tap the auto park feature here, and the vehicle can help out with both parallel and perpendicular spaces. So you're just going to drive forward, vehicle is going to figure out what spaces are available, and keep on going until you find a space that you're comfortable with. But if the vehicle recognizes, I'm going to keep on going. If it recognizes multiple spaces, you can see different spaces pop up. You can choose whichever one you'd like to. So if you wanted to go to one further back, but I'm going to go to the closer one here, you're just going to go foot off the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel, and the vehicle is doing everything for you. So it's going to control the gas, it's going to control the brake, it's utilizing all of the different sensors and things like that in order to be able to park the vehicle. Now you can see here, so I'm kind of riding the brake pedal there, so the system does work well, but at the same time, just in case, it's generally a good idea to make sure that you've got your foot riding the brake pedal in case you've got to stop. But the vehicle itself is fairly smart. Look at this, and you can hit cancel or the brake pedal at any point in time as well if you'd like to stop the process, but I mean, I'd say it's doing a beautiful job here. There we go, park is now complete. And take a look at the parking job that it's done here. In order to use parallel park assist inside of Lucid vehicles, you want to tap the little P button there again, and we want to do auto park. So what you're going to do is drive forward, again, until you find a space that you're comfortable with, and the vehicle is going to figure out if there are different spaces that are available. There we go, picked up the space. So if there are multiple spaces available, it would show you. You could pick whichever one, but we want to tap this parallel space. Foot off the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel, and the car is doing everything. So it's going to control the gas, the brake, etc. And you can see here, it's doing it beautifully. Same idea, you've got the flexibility of being able to ride the brake pedal if you really want to. It's going to pull us forward a little bit there, and then you can hit the brake at any point in time if you wanted to, or you can hit the cancel button if you wanted to stop. But the parallel parking is complete now, and have a look at the parking job that it did here. The Lucid Air also has the option for a parallel park out. So if you tap the P button again, shoot yourself into auto park, we can go off to the right side or off to the left. The right side right now is not going to work because that would be a curb. So we want to go to the left side here. So what you have to do, push and hold the brake pedal. We want to go to the left side. It's going to figure out what's going on. When you're ready, foot off the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel. It's going to back you up. Whoo! Foot and change away, so more than enough space, and then it's going to start cranking the wheel. And the only thing you have to worry about at this point yourself is once it comes to a stop here, grip onto the steering wheel and start driving. And that's how you use the park assist system inside of Lucid vehicles.